I talk so fast I can't breathe, and then I got asthma. Like, how to work? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm back with a bright colored look for you guys. I have not worked with really bright colors in I feel like in a minute. It's probably hasn't been that long, but I feel like it's been forever. So if you guys like this look and you want to see how I got it, keep watching. So ignore this bump. I probably didn't even see it, so I just pointed it out. But so I'm starting off with my Morphe I'm gonna say powder. Starting off with my Morphe primer. As I told you guys before, I use this when I'm using not bright, well yeah, bright, but really just whites and nudes on my eyelids, because for some reason they're more prone to crease. I really don't know why, but yeah, I always prime my eyelid when I'm using white or nude. After we have that all blended out, I'm gonna go into my LA Girl concealer, and this one is in medium beige. Yeah, medium beige. So this is the Princessa Azteca palette. I'm going to take this golden color. I swatched it on my hand. I'm going to put this down. I swatched it on my hand. This is the one I just showed you. And then this one is from the James Charles palette. I like the fact that this one is more golden. So I'm going to use this one, and the rest of the colors will come from the James Charles palette. And so put that down. I'm going to use I'm going to be using the M321. For my orange, I use these two colors right here, but I'm using the E18 from Morphe to put those down. Next, we're gonna go into the pink on an M506. I'm going to take these two purples. I really wish I had just used this one, but since I added a dark one over here, I have to add it over here too. So these two purples, and this brush is from that same Amazon brush set that I told you guys about either in my last video or the video before, but I will link it down below. It also came with the packing brush you'll see me use to apply my glitter, and then the one that I use to blend my concealer. And honestly, if you were looking for a brush set to actually blend eyeshadow with, I would not recommend that brush set because it is cheap. And this brush right here, like I mean, it's not a blending brush anyway, but I like the ones, the packing brushes and the large blending brushes, which is the one I use to blend my concealer on my eyelid. But other than that, I don't really use the brush set, so I just feel like I need to say that. I don't think I told you that before. And then on the E17, I'm going to take these two. So I'm going to dust some of that out of my brush so we can start blending it. So here's the very time consuming part. I'm going to have to go back and forth between all of these colors until we get it blended. I'll probably end up cutting a lot of it out. And then also while you blend it, you want to take it up some so it can match this one. About that far. This purple was kind of hard to blend, but I don't know if it's because of the brush I used or what. So the only color I'm really struggling with right now is the purple. It won't blend. Like, I'm really having trouble blending it into the pink, and I know y'all see that. It kind of look patchy. Do y'all see that right there? It's like... So after fighting with this for like 30 minutes, I finally got it to look pretty decent. I don't know if y'all see it, but I still see a really harsh line in between the purple and the pink, but I've literally fought with it for so long and I can't, like, it's not blending. So I'm not saying the purple in this palette is bad, but I don't know what it is about today. Maybe it's just me. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I'm using the foundation from Makeup Revolution, and it is in the shade F1. It was like $12 or $13, and these are $7. So they're like buying 2 of these, but you still have more. So I'm sorry, I don't know if y'all can hear the air blowing in the background, but to cut my crease, like I said, I'm using that foundation, and then I'm gonna use, look at my sleeve, then I'm gonna use a M213 brush as usual. But yeah, this foundation is literally the exact same color and everything, it's just not as thick. I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm just gonna pat my eyelid until it's all matte. Or if you want to, you can just let it sit and dry. I'm gonna take some more blue and blend the edge. So I'm using this glitter pigment from Almost Cosmetics, and this one is in the shade Gold Showers. Last time, if you guys saw my last video, or if you read the description box of my last video, you saw what happened basically. But that one was White Diamond. I'm gonna try this one, but I'm not gonna keep it on as long. Literally gonna just keep it on for like an hour. But yeah, I'm just gonna risk it. You also can see this one a little bit better. But I'm gonna do my mascara and my lashes off camera as usual, and then I'll be back. For my waterline, I'm gonna take this blue eyeliner, this jumbo pencil from NYX that I just dropped on the floor. Yeah, I swear I'm so clumsy while I'm doing my makeup, and this is not the time to be clumsy. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go back into the yellow and just take it around and like about to right here. And this purple still bothering me. I really tried to blend it out, but it's literally stuck, like it didn't move. And I tried like 10 different brushes though. So I'm literally gonna take the same colors I used on my eyelid and put them underneath using the E36. I'm literally using the same brush. I'm just gonna dust it off and then go into the next color. And then dust it off. We're gonna do some mascara at the bottom. So I'm gonna spray my brush. I'm taking the gold shadow from the Princess Azteca palette, where we got our gold from, on our eyelid, and so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys really like this look. I really miss working with bright colors, so I'm very excited to have recorded this for you guys. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more looks, and I will see you guys in my next video.